Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is the part 7th of the same chapter, nature and significance of management. So today I will discuss in this video class topic of coordination. So my dear students, you know very well what's the meaning of coordination and what is the role of coordination. So those are individual firms. There are not to be a lot of departments, not to be a lot of persons for involving a working for getting objective or the organizations. That time no need for the coordinations. So but there are a lot of departments and lot of employees, those are working in different organizations for a common goal, but the main motive is there for achieving the objectives of the firm. There is a need of a coordination. So students, coordination is not a function of management. Coordination is not a function of management. Coordination is the essence of management, because each and every level of management is required for the coordination. As per the last video class, you have to be studied. The management has to have 5 functions. First function was on their planning. Second function was on their organizing. And next is staffing. I hope you have to learn these functions: planning, organizing, staffing, and directing and controlling. My dear students, I am not here a word of coordination, because coordination is not a function of management. So what is the role of coordination? I will explain. Wait. Coordination, where is the coordination? Coordination is the essence of management. Suppose it. Change this diagram into example. Suppose it. These are 5 flowers of any organizations. Before starting the organizations, first the management will do the plan. Top level management, I have to be explained at my last video class. Who will do the plan? The top level management will do the plan. After that, they have to be organized as per their plan. The work of top level management. And after that, they will do the staffing. Recruitment of the staff is the work for the middle level of management. And after the staffing, directing and controlling. Controlling is the work for the supervisory level of management. The supervisory level of management will do the control to his own employees for do the work for do the achieving objective. So these are 5 flowers of any organizations. So if in these flowers is not will be a coordination, will be a harmony. So they will not to be work in a proper objective. So they need for the coordination. So let's see the example. Suppose it these are bind up with a thread. These are bind up with the thread. This thread is called a coordination. I think you have understood this topic. These are 5 flowers and this is a thread. The 5 flowers are bind up with a single thread. Is called a coordination, and they are bind up with a thread to make a garland. So it is the role of coordination. So when all the functions of the management will do the work with the proper coordination, that time they will achieve the organization's goal. Let's see the next example. In the organizations, lot of departments are there. First are manufacturing department. Manufacturing department. Students, I explained on starting that coordinations is required only for the where are a lot of departments, a lot of employees are working together. It is not to be applicable for the single organization where there are not of a person, not of a department. So in a firm, a lot of departments is there. So first I am taking an example of manufacturing department, sale departments, sale department, purchase department and one more, finance department. Finance department. You know very well what is the role of the each department, I think. So the manufacturing department is the role for the able to manufacture of the goods and the products. Sales department is the role for the in the organizations they will sell the goods. Purchase department, they will purchase the raw material, they will purchase the resources, and finance department, they will provide to the finance to each and everyone for the purchase department for the buying the raw material, manufacturing department for manufacture for the pay the debt and the indirect expenses, or the role of finance department. So listen to the example. If the sale department are getting an order from the market, extra order. Suppose if a sale department are getting an order from the market of 500 quantity of the goods. 500 more quantity have to need for the market. The sale department, the market has to be given the instruction by the market. The market has to be told to the sale department that we have to need a 5,500 more quantity. So the sale department can't be manufacture the goods. Who will manufacture the goods? The manufacture the goods to manufacturing department. So the sale department will confirm with the manufacturing department, and manufacturing department without the raw material the manufacturing department can't to be manufacture the goods. First they will ask for the raw material to purchase department. First purchase department will purchase the raw material from the market. How they will purchase? They will purchase by the finance department. They will use the finance from the, will take the finance from the finance department, and purchase department will take the finance from the finance department. If finance department will provide the finance to the purchase department will provide the raw material to the manufacturing department, and manufacturing department will provide to the goods after the manufacture to the sale department. That time we can say this all our department is in a harmony. All the departments are within a harmony, within a coordination. Because if any department are denied to, suppose it, sale department are to a manufacturer that we have to need of a 5,500 extra output. So manufacturing department has to be denied, reject of this of the sale department. So how the fulfill the sale department or the product to the sale? It's not possible without the manufacturing department. So there's a need of the coordination. So coordination is a synchronization. Listen to my point clearly. Coordination is a synchronization to various activities. Those activities are done by the finance department, manufacturing department, purchase department, sale department, done by all the departments and departments of an organization. It is called a coordination. Coordinations is a refer to synchronization of all the various activities of various departments of an organization. It means the need for a synchronization if they want to be a coordination. So it is a meaning and definition example of the coordination. Next we will discuss about the features and niches of coordination. Next heading of the same topic, features of coordination. Features and nature and characteristics all the same. So first, nature of coordination is coordination integrates group efforts. Students, you know very well, in a business organizations, different type of the departments, and in these departments are different type of the persons. Those are working in the organizations of their common goal. These coordinations are not to be applicable for an individual employee. This is the working for the group efforts. So in the organizations of a employee are different type of the background, different type of the knowledge, different type of the skills are involving for the betterment for the objective of the firm. So the coordination has to be integrates to all the employing skills and knowledge for the achieving the organizational goal by efficiently or by effectively. Next point is coordination is a continuous process. Students, coordination will be start with the planning until the work of controlling, and after the controlling they will again restart with the planning. I have to give the example with the starting of this class. Make a flower garland, the first phase in planning and the last phase in controlling. Again the planning will be start after the achieving the goal. It means it is a continuous process, it not to be stopped. Next point is there, coordination is all privacy functions, universal functions. Each and every level of management, coordination is required. Coordination is required if the business or non-business are there. Non-business, it means non-profit organizations. So that time our coordination is required. Next heading is coordination is the responsibility of all the managers. In the organizations, three types of labels are there. Those are working different type of the managers. First, top level, middle level and lower level. If the top level responsibility is there for make a plan and organize the resources, so also with the middle level manager responsibility with the manage to developmental activities, and also with the responsibility of lower level of management, they will manage to the employees activities, they will coordinate, they will direct, they will control to the labor work or the supervisory work. And it means all the levels of the management are having a different type of the responsibilities. If they will pay of responsibility betterly, that time they will achieve a organization goal. So we can say is a responsibilities of all the managers. All the managers will do the work for the organizational goal. It is not a responsibility for a single manager. It is a responsibility for all the managers. They will coordinate with to each and other for its own functions, because if the top level manager make a plan, so these plans are followed by the lower level of management. They will instruct to the work to the workers. So those plans are will be formulated by the top level of management, and these plans are transferred by the middle level of management. If the coordination is not to be being the all level of management, that time the organization will be facing a problem. It means the coordination will be there in between the all the level of management. It is responsibility to all the level of management. Last point is there, coordination is a deliberate function. So every manager try to coordinate the activities of an organization. Every manager, they have to be trying to all the activities, manage to all the activities of the organizations, avoid to the choice and the confusion of any type of the confusion, choice and the malpractices. They have to be avoid for achieving the organizational goal. A few importance and need of the coordination for the discuss. First is the size of the organizations. When the size of the organizations will be increased due to the gaining of profit, due to the expansion with the time. So suppose it is the size of organization earlier when the organization was on start. So that time only for a few organizations is here, few departments was on there. First was on the sale and the purchase, and after some time the organization has to be earning a profit. There have to be expansion for the departments. There have to be appointment for the new employees. The size was this one, and after some time earning a continued profit, the size was this of the organizations. So the organizations are continue develop the expansions or the organizations, the new employee, the new department are increasing in the organizations. That time coordinations play a very vital role. They have to be managed, they have to be synchronized to all the departments with the new staff and with the exiting employees. So is the size of the organizations, where the size of the organizations will be increased, that time the coordination will play a very vital role for synchronize to all the departments, will to integrate to all the departments. Next is their functional differentiation. I have to be explained on the starting of this class. In the organizations, different type of the department, just like for a finance department, purchase department, sales department, manufacturing department, lot of our departments in the store department, inventory department. So each and every department are working for the beneficial for common goal or organizational goal, but lot of chances for increasing the dispute among them to all the departments. That time the coordination will play a very important role to sort out to all the disputes those are rising by into all the departments. When the departments are working with together for the organizational goal or the common goal, it is the common thing is there that dispute always the cases, the rises of the disputes in the organizations among the different type of the organizations. That time the coordination has to be sorted out. If the coordinations is there in the organizations. The next point is specialization is an important point in our present time. Is specialization in the organizations. Our department is finance department, purchase department, or a sale department. Three is enough for example. Finance department, purchase department, sales department. Those head of the working are the finance department. It will be a fully specialized, it will be a fully knowledge due to the in a present time lot of our technologies, lot of seminars, lot of our websites and the YouTube channels, those are providing the knowledge about the all the working field. So those are persons are working in the finance department. It will be a fully specialized. Those that are working with the purchase department, it will be a fully knowledge, fully skilled. So each and every employee, those are head of this department, they have to be think that I am a superior. So they are not to be listen to the other one department. It is the main reason for the conflicts of the other department. So that time the coordination will play a very vital role. They have to be synchronized. They have maintain the harmony to among to all the head of the department. They have to be sorted to all the conflicts. They have to be listened to all the superiors, because each and every those are working in an organization for the long time, they all have become a superior. They not to be give the importance to the other one suggestions. So the coordinations have to be maintained for the synchronization for to all the head of the departments. So it was the importance and need of the coordination. And on the this chapter is completed on today. After the next video class, I will start a second chapter. So learn it. Thank you, friends.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.